Hi.
Welcome, Georg. This is
Hi.
our Piterion office here, so our virtual showroom, it's called. If you
Nice
don't...
place.
Oh, thank you. Especially I like the stairs here.
Yeah, they are quite futuristic, I have to say.
So I'm here in VR today, and you joined with the desktop feature?
Exactly.
Very cool, very cool. So we should see the exactly same things here. For example, I can ping at certain locations to show you some points. That should work for you too. Should have a different color.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, exactly. So,
right
for example, if I ping this plant here, you should see this.
Yep, I saw. I think it.
Okay, so follow me along here. So this is our exhibition area where we can integrate all the different trainings, and one of them you can play today. We have prepared a caravan training for you. And this will also happen in this area here, but we can create any training we want in here. So this is just a location, and if you say, hey, I want to learn how I can build a PC or something like a pill press, we can totally integrate all of this in here. We can also modify the complete lobby for you if you have any special wishes. So all of this is possible. And we can integrate whatever you want in here. One little example, you see this blue colors all around us here. That's the Piterion branding. But of course, we can just use your brand color for everything. So this would be a very fast adaptation to your brand. And we can integrate your logos, and this way you will have a very customized experience for your customers. For example, here the Piterion brand over the entrance, or here on the whiteboard.
Yeah, that's how my first year in school looked like.
Yeah, I'm still stuck there. I'm only using the computer for something. Let's get rid of this. Okay, one thing I noticed if I went in here, so you can also use this like a design review tool. For example, I think this floor here is too low. So
I think if I would be a little bit taller, that might be a problem. That's true.
Exactly. So I would suggest using modifying this so it's a little bit taller. I have a measure tool here, so I can just, and it's exactly 1.80 meters, so this is not big enough. And we can modify this later on. So I can go to my artist and say, hey, we like the design, but it should be taller.
Yeah, I would suggest doing this because if there's somebody joining this training who is taller, then might be an issue in the end.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, so please follow me along here. I have prepared a little video demonstration of what we are actually doing in the software factory.
Yes.
And I think you're quite familiar with this showcase. This is our old office in Ismaning.
The Innovation Campus, yeah. Our applications, our augmented reality showcase, our first version of the virtual factory. Yes, I remember.
Old Steam Factory.
Version of the factory, yes.
Cool thing is we can watch it together and really talk about the different things. I can pause it, I can explain different scenarios for you. And this is a very modular approach because we can watch everything here, and also the TV can be big like in a cinema. Or like in this example, very small. Okay, so let me show you our examples we have already prepared for you. So we have 4 different examples here. It starts with our office in Böblingen, here on the left side. And this is a representation from our office in Böblingen. The same goes for the office in Ismaning. It's the latest one. We have a complete virtual factory. I can show you a video of that later, and even if you press on it, you can see some screens here. So we have like a car manufacturing, and we also have this pitcopter, it was called earlier.
The aerospace section. Yeah.
Exactly. Exactly. So there's a lot of IoT in this experience. This is more like an architectural representation. And this was our old lobby room, used to demonstrate all the demos from the software factory.
Which was really cool once it was aligned with the real room, that when you touched something in VR, the chair, the TVs, for example, you really touched them in the real life as well, which was a great experience.
And something no one can ever experience again, because the office is gone.
Because we moved, yeah.
But it would work for Böblingen. So we still have this office. And this here on the right, this is my working space. Haven't been there in 2 months.
In ages.
In ages.
You probably have to dust it off a little bit once.
Yeah, and I missed the coffee. So it was the coffee corner. Okay,
Good.
so right now I clicked on all of this, but you should also be able to select one of them. So can you try to open the VR Experience Center?
Oh, yeah. Sorry, I wanted to have a quick look at
the old days.
Yeah, so let me select.
Yes, exactly. So this is our VR Experience Center, and in this case it's the Caravan training. And I'm going to stay here, but we have integrated a roboter that will talk to you and guide you through all the journey. So I will be here. If you come back after your training, we can have a chat about the training. And everything else is inside the experience. The roboter will guide you through all the different steps and tell you exactly what you need to do. You will also have a smartwatch on your hand. You can watch on it, and it will tell you what to do next. So it's really a completely autonomous training. I don't need to be in there. I can wait for the next client here. But if you come back, we will meet upstairs in the meeting area and talk about your experience.
Okay, so I will be, in the end, after this training, I will be a fully experienced Caravan user then in the end.
You should be. You should.
I will try my best. So, okay, and I would say I will start the experience, the training.
Awesome. So see you later.
See you later. Bye-bye.
Welcome to the flagship store, Florian. Please follow me to the desk.
Beer.